Hi everybody, I'm Purva and I work with Career Guide. It's funny, but my association with Career Guide has been since the lockdown. I started working with Career Guide just a few days before the lockdown started in India. Remember Janta Curfew, 22nd March 2020? Yes, that was the first day of our lockdown. Uh, but it was fun. It was nice staying at home, spending time with family. It was exciting. Um, Asking friends, आज क्या किया? आज बाहर नहीं गए. We had not gone out to a restaurant. It was fun. Then came the 21 days official lockdown from 25th March to 14th April. Um, it was scary. I initially the first 2 days was fun. I had so much sleeping to do. I was sleeping, I was eating, I was binge watching. It was fun. But the fourth day, I was like, now what? I have 16 more days to go. What am I going to do? It was crazy. It scared me. Then I thought, I will make a plan for myself. 21 days to change yourself. It takes 21 days to build a new habit. So I said, why not? Let's try this. So I made a plan for myself. And since I started working with Career Guide, I was busy for most of my day. Like 6-7 hours went working from home. Yes. So I made a plan, dincharya as I call it. So in the morning, I was getting up at 9, 10, 11 whenever I wanted to. But then I realized no, I need to have a proper schedule. Uh, so I started getting up at 6:37. Did an hour of exercise. Um, Includes like 20-25 minutes of uh, exercise, 10-15 minutes of stretching, and 10 minutes of breathing exercises, and definitely sitting in the sun. Immunity boosting. That was very important. I have a, in fact, YouTube playlist called recipes. Don't you too? I know. So I have tried most of the recipes in that YouTube list. So I started sending my cooking photos to my cousins, and they started sending their cooking photos to me. Of course, all of us have family groups, so we started sharing our photos in the family group, and then we started sharing recipes in our family group, and now we have started making a blog. Now we have an official family blog where all of us cousins upload our recipes there. I also had a lot of books that I wanted to read. I love reading books, but I never found the time to read. I try and take out half an hour every day to read the books. Heard of Audible? I'm sure you have. Audible has started a new venture in India called Audible Suno. It has amazing podcasts, stories, talk shows. I love it. I make it a point to listen to at least one Audible podcast a day, especially after dinner, taking a stroll in the house for like 10-15 minutes. The thing that I really enjoy is doing art and craft. I love making things from paper, photographs, old memories, and I keep making something or the other. I live with my parents, and they started to get bored after a couple of days of lockdown. Right? How much TV can anybody watch? Right? So we started playing games, the old games, carom, shuttles, cards, Ludo. Uh, Brought back so many good old memories. So we make sure that we play at least 2 games a day. It kind of gives you positivity and good vibes, especially if you win, right? During the first phase of 21 days of lockdown, there was so much fake news all over. There was only corona everywhere. It got to me at one point of time. I got so scared. I was not able to sleep in the night reading about so much of corona. I decided I will stop reading Corona news. Now I take out 5 minutes in a day, read coronavirus news from three sources: World Health Organization website, the Health Ministry of India ka website, and third is my local police ka Twitter handle. With the news that is happening all around the world, I get it in the evening from my cousins. We do a Zoom call every night and between 9:30 whenever everybody is available, and we talk about everything, recipes of course, what we did the entire day, and the world news, what is happening and how we can take care of us, how we can take care of ourselves. Uh, we spend about 1 or 2 hours in the evening every day. Really needed, refreshes us, because all of us are sailing on the same in the same boat. So yeah, it's good to know that if you are feeling depressed, there's somebody else also who's feeling depressed, and if somebody else is feeling energetic, even you can do good, you can be good, right? So that has really got me from the first phase of lockdown till today, second phase, and in fact third phase is starting today. Right now it is compulsory to wear masks if you are stepping out of the house. There's so many YouTube tutorials that you can get on how to make a mask. I have made it too, and trust me, it takes only 15 minutes. This is so simple. I'm sharing a link in the description below for a DIY mask that I made. Do check it out, try making yourself, and do let us know in the comment section how it came out. I know this has been going on since 1.5, 2 months, and all of us are losing patience now. We are we're a bit irritated. We're like, "Kab band hoega?" But I believe this is going to be there for a long time. It's going to be a new normal for us, right? We have to continue taking these precautions and maintaining social distances for a long time. So I thought today, why not I share my experience and tell you what I have been doing since the lockdown. And I would love to hear what have you been doing, what interesting things have you done or learned uh, in this lockdown. Do write in the comments below so that I can also get some new things to do in this lockdown. And don't forget, there are so many amazing websites giving you free education and free resources to upskill yourself. So please do that. I try and do that every weekend. Do talk to your family, friends every day so that it keeps you going. And take care, stay safe, be good.